Whether you're headed off-road or simply driving in inclement weather, it helps to be prepared. WeatherTech's Kinetic Recovery Rope offers peace of mind wherever your journey takes you. Let's take a closer look. WeatherTech's Kinetic Recovery Rope is USA-made, ISO 9001 certified, and is available in a variety of sizes and diameters. It is sold as a kit with 2 soft shackles and a weatherproof user guide. The rope itself minimizes shock and maximizes energy transfer, unlike traditional tow straps. The soft shackles are a safe and user-friendly alternative to steel. Just as strong, but a fraction of the weight, so they are buoyant in water, mud, and snow. They also remain usable in all conditions with no threads to rust or freeze. They easily attach the recovery rope to designated loading points on both the stuck and assist vehicles. Each shackle has unique loading marks to ensure the weight is placed in the proper position. When used properly, WeatherTech's Kinetic Recovery Rope stretches up to 20%, and its polymeric coating ensures a watertight seal that protects load-bearing fibers from wear and tear. Both the rope and its shackles are 100% made in the USA, so you can count on the quality you're receiving when you need it most.